So hi guys, in this video we're going to be doing a different quantum company review. We're going to jump on IonQ, QVTS, QSI, RGTI, and QUBT. So one of the main thing, and one of the things that I wanted to talk about in this video is I'm reading this book right now that I want to show you guys, and it's a book is very important because it's some part with the market that is your decision. You are the decision maker. So whatever you have in your brain, it makes you make money or make you lose money. And one of the main things is your ego. If you follow a structure, and just remember a structure, you follow a structure, you are success more than 70%, you're doing very good on the market because your account, 70% meaning that your account is growing consistently. But if your account is on the 50% and you got one day on, one day off, and you back and forth like that, meaning you have some few things to fix. The first thing that I really recommend to you guys is learn the structure. Learn how to read this chart and get the market structure. If you follow that structure, you're going to be successful. And the other thing is your ego. You need to learn. You don't know. Nobody knows everything. I try to learn something new every day. I listen to another trader experience because you can learn from everyone. Everyone can learn from everyone. So this book, I highly recommend you guys to find this book. It's The Ego is the Enemy. And you found that book, and if you like to read that book, and that book is going to help you to understand that your ego can affect you in any decision. So let's jump right into the chart. So let's go and start with IonQ. You can see right here, let me just go to a daily chart. So here how we are. This is a chart from yesterday. Remember, this is a structure that I want you guys to learn. The market dropped from the high. If you got an ABC around the high of the market, that don't count. You need a big leg down or big leg up. So dropping from the high of the market, the ABC structure is no more than a pullback with a little high and go back down, retest. In some case, it can break the low and reverse right away, or like this case, which is a double bottom. In this case, you are above the 200-day exponential moving average, another indicator, good indication that is creating a great support. And then you have a spike and another consolidation right there. So that consolidation is showing you that the market above the 200-day exponential moving average after the ABC double bottom correction is consolidating. After this consolidation, always going to be a distribution, accumulation and distribution. After that, you have the spike. And another detail, remember, this is 90 degree, and how you can see right here how the market moved. This is 34 degree right now. The other day was little higher, was in 40 degree, and that is a correlation between that angle showing you that the price and time, so how many days the market take to go to whatever point it goes. Around between 40 and 45 degree is a good relation between price and time, and that is another new indication. The other thing you have right here, the Fibonacci retracement, you have resistance and support. In this case, this is the resistance and this is the support. Why? Because the price is under this level and is above this level. Under is a support, above is the resistance. So right now, after the whole drama or tariff drama, the market's kind of like 300 points down, and the IonQ opened down and then recovery and went back up, showing that the company is very strong, is solid, and the company looks like it's going to continue going up. Always remember what I'm saying. If you went inside the market around this price, move your stop loss and protect your gain. Don't give away what you already have. So the other company we're going to follow is QBTS. That baby doing very good too. Open right here and went all the way. The whole explanation that I just explained to you guys is the same for this company. You got this first structure right here. The market spike, went back down, respect that C, and continue all the way up. So that's another good one. Always remember, If you're going to buy more share for either one of these companies, you have to wait until the pullback. You need buy always on the bottom, never buy on the top. Wait for the pullback, that's soon giving you the reverse bar, that's your next entry before the market take off. The next company that I want to, let me delete the new company for the last one. QUBT, doing very good. Like I said yesterday we was down here. I told you guys yesterday, this is about to spike, and here we go. It already spiked. Okay, so you are earlier in this company, still $13. The company look like it's going to do the same as the other quantum. You have the structure, ABC structure, double bottom above the 200-day exponential moving average. That's something you need to learn. Learn the market structure, follow the structure. If you don't see the structure, don't get into the market. Wait, just wait. Act like you are a sniper. You see the sniper getting on the wood and they just there and waiting, hunting. You have to do the same thing with the market. You just wait until you found a structure. Once you got the structure, you found confirmation. The 200-day exponential moving average has to be under your price. Why? Because that's a strong support. And then you throw the Fibonacci, you see the level of resistance and support. You look for those kind of conjunction area where you see that it's a lot of high or a lot of bottom, and you see what the price is around there. Okay, so this company doing very good too. Confirmation of the continuation is a good follow through. The company look like it's going to continue growing. RGTI, wonderful. Look at how it was. RGTI yesterday was down here under the market open, and it's time to go up and up and up. What is the ceiling? Why look, all these companies look the same almost. You can see right here, the ABC, another ABC, 200-day exponential moving average, and the market went up. Okay, so now we got this new company, which is QSI. Guys, look at the price of QSI, 196, ABC, correction right there, consolidation, break above the 200-day exponential moving average, do another retouch of that support, and went up and break the 100-day exponential moving average. Guys, this company, which is 196 today, Friday, May 23rd, it looked like it's going to do the same as the other company, $1.96. This is super cheap. That soon the market starting to run, a lot of people going to notice, and the price of the company going to increase and go, and it's another run. So pay attention to this company, okay? So I wanted to show you something that you realize that not every quantum is in the same pattern right now. We have the IQ, this one right here. And you see, now this is technology service. What is the one that I was looking? QS, I'm sorry. You see QS right here. This is another quantum corporation. And you see how the price is under the 200-day exponential moving average. It's no entry right here. It creating a kind of formation. You see, it went up, touched the 100-day exponential moving average. It went down again. It's trying to climbing up. It could be the ABC formation. We don't know yet. We need confirmation for this. So we need to see how this company grow and go and hit and 200-day exponential moving average and see what happened after that. If it's rejecting down here, or is finally confirming that this will be the ABC, and now we should pay attention to that. Okay, but it's not ready. That's why I don't have it like a ready company. Same with this one right here. It's starting to get that confirmation. But what happened with this company is got some kind of class action from the investor, and so I don't know what's going on yet, but it's starting to get that kind of information. The market spike, went down, creating the kind of ABC above the 200-day exponential moving average, and from that point on, it's sideways right here. It could be an accumulation and then a breakout. If we do a breakout, if we have a follow through, that will be another good company, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so this is all what I got for you guys in this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next.